As Russia's losses of their most modern tank, the T-90M, had increased in recent time, Russia had to decrease the deployment on the front line to a more limited extent, as there aren't that many from the beginning and Russia loses them faster than they can make them. But as the Ukrainian drone army spotted one, they were in pursuit after, striking the tank well from behind, causing the crew to stop the tank to assess the damage, which was a bad idea, as Ukraine's drone army works more in swarm attacks now, sending one after another, as the second drone also hit well, more from a top attack on the turret. The tank quickly took off after. Looking to have suffered pretty severe damage, where the crew stopped the tank next to some trees and abandoned it, as it was smoking and could have limited steering capability with many other damaged systems, which resulted in another FPV drone coming and striking the tank, hitting the back section over the engine, as parts were flying off, causing a fire to break out, making sure the tank is destroyed, leaving one less of Russia's most modern tank for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.